Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! Look at all the super cool stickers and Valentine's Day cards we have. Wow! I'm gonna read each one to you right now. So we have 3 of these. They say Happy Valentine's Day. Has a cute little kitty inside a box. Super cute. And then we have this one. This one says Valentine's Day would be rough without a friend like you. And it's spelled like rough. Ruff, ruff. Has a cute little puppy on it. Oh, and then we have this one. I think this one might be my favorite. It says Valentine, I think you're sweet. Adorable little kitty in a heart-shaped box. Then we have this one. You're positively the best Valentine. Cute. A little puppy. Then we have this really big one that says, You have my heart, Valentine. Cute little puppy. Let's see. Then we have this kitty. And just a cute little orange kitty, and it says, Will you be my Valentine? And we only have one of these, but it says, I dig you, Valentine, with a cute little puppy and a bow tie. Alright, so that's all of our cards. Now, here are the stickers that came with it. A bunch of little heart-shaped stickers. We used a few. Couldn't wait. Also used a few of these stickers. They're just super cute. Alright, so that's all our Valentine's Day cards today. Hope you have a super awesome day. Thank you for watching.